Welcome to Portfolio Playbook. This is Damanick Dantes. Today we released a special report on crypto. Our strategist Isak Diop provides an excellent deep dive on how we manage crypto exposure in our multi-asset portfolios. We use a combination of market and on-chain data provided by our friends at Glassnode, our internal models, and some academic research. Here's a quick summary. As we head into year-end, investors almost everywhere have reason to cheer for solid returns. But crypto was a sore thumb. Bitcoin and Ethereum are still negative year-to-date, and the weakness isn't just noise. Using weekly price data, we noticed that Bitcoin has broken below its intermediate-term trend gauges, and when we use our preferred monthly price models, Bitcoin is testing critical long-term trend levels with declining momentum. These are the same regime measures that supported the crypto market for nearly 2 years. So historically, when Bitcoin has a decisive breakdown on the monthly time frame, risk tends to stay elevated. At the same time, the digital gold narrative has cracked. Since the pandemic, Bitcoin has behaved more like a high beta tech stock than a true hedge, with correlations rising most during times of market stress. Sentiment is extremely fearful, and historically that can precede price bottoms. But fear alone is not a signal. Catching falling knives rarely ends well without trend confirmation and disciplined position sizing. Zooming out, the macro position matters. Bitcoin has historically worked during inflationary periods only when economic growth stayed strong. Gold, on the other hand, has been a bit more resilient, and this year it showed. That's why we use a dynamic Bitcoin gold rotation strategy, adjusting as market behavior changes rather than betting on single narratives. This year, an overweight to gold helped buffer crypto weakness and delivered strong risk-adjusted returns. Thanks to Isak for delving into this data, making his escape from Chicago snow to a comfortable holiday in Italy. And on that note, check out the full post on Substack and subscribe. The podcast will return in 2026 with exciting updates. Happy holidays.